Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech products. Today, we have something special in store for all you gaming and graphics enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the KAER Gaming GeForce RTX 2060 graphics card, a powerhouse in the world of GPS. But before we get into the nitty-gritty details, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the best tech products on the market. Now, let's talk about why the KAER Gaming GeForce RTX 2060 is making waves in the industry. First and foremost, this graphics card is an absolute beast when it comes to performance. With the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 at its core, it offers incredible gaming and rendering capabilities. The GPU clock speed can boost up to a whopping 1680 MHz, ensuring smooth gameplay and lightning-fast rendering for applications like Solidworks. What sets this card apart is its support for real-time ray tracing technology. This means you'll experience stunningly realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections in your games and 3D designs, taking your visual experience to a whole new level. Now, let's talk about the cooling system of this card. The KAER Gaming GeForce RTX 2060 comes equipped with dual 90mm sickle blade fans. These fans provide excellent heat dissipation, ensuring your GPU stays cool even during long gaming sessions or intensive rendering tasks. Size and power are crucial factors to consider when choosing a graphics card. This card has a compact form factor, measuring 222*126/42mm, making it suitable for various PC cases. It requires an 8-pin power supply interface with a power consumption of 160 W. We recommend using a 500 W power supply to ensure it runs smoothly. Connectivity is key, especially for those who need multiple displays. The KAER RTX 2060 offers a range of video output interfaces, including DisplayPort, DVI, and HDMI. This makes it versatile for multi-screen displays and ensures a crisp picture effect. Now, when you get your hands on this incredible graphics card, you'll find it powered by an NVIDIA chip. Don't worry about the drivers. You can easily download them from the NVIDIA website for a seamless experience. In conclusion, the KAER Gaming GeForce RTX 2060 is the best graphics card for Solidworks and gaming enthusiasts alike. With its outstanding performance, real-time ray tracing support, efficient cooling, and versatile connectivity, it's truly a game-changer. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in upgrading your graphics card, be sure to check out the KAER Gaming GeForce RTX 2060. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.